Hi friends, in this video we will briefly discuss about quinoline. So quinoline பொறுத்தவரையிலையும் a benzene ring is fused with pyridine ring at alpha and beta position by a common carbon pair. Therefore, the quinoline is also called alpha beta benzopyridine. So இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய all carbon atoms and one nitrogen atoms are sp2 hybridization. So it is aromatic in nature, that is it follow or obey 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, that is Huckel's rule. Lone pair of electron is not involved in delocalization of the ring. So in quinoline occurs in coal tar and bone oil. Its nucleus is present in antimalarial alkaloid quinine and chinchonine. The synthetic antimalarials chloroquine and paramaquine. The analytical reagent oxine, that is 8-hydroxy quinoline, etc. Then next subtopic is synthesis of quinoline. The first method, scrap synthesis. It is very important technique. Here heating of mixture of aniline, glycerol, concentrated sulfuric acid and ferrous sulfate in the presence of oxidizing agent such as nitrobenzene or arsenic acid. In first step, glycerol combined with corn sulfuric acid to form acrolein. Here concentrated sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent. In second step, aniline combined with acrolein in 1,4 addition and followed by addition of nitrobenzene to form quinoline. So second important techniques, that is Friedlander synthesis. In this method is used for the synthesis of quinoline and its derivatives. So quinoline, for example, is formed when alpha amino benzaldehyde is condensed with acetaldehyde in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide to form quinoline with the loss of water molecule. So quinoline is a colorless liquid. Its boiling point around 238 degrees Celsius. It is sparingly soluble in water but miscible in alcohol and ethers. It is a unpleasant odor. It is volatile in steam. Quinoline is a weaker base than pyridine and it combined with hydrochloric acid to form quinoline chloride. Then electrophilic substitution reaction. So quinoline பொறுத்தவரையிலையும் it occurs at C5 and C8 position. Therefore, it undergoes halogenation, nitration and sulfonation, etc. This substitution mainly occurs in benzene ring part. So pyridine ring வந்து disturbance ஆகாத benzene ringல மட்டும் substitution நடக்கும். For example, in nitration, that is quinoline combined with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid to form 5-nitroquinoline and 8-nitroquinoline. Similarly, in sulfonation, quinoline combined with sulfur trioxide and corn sulfuric acid to form quinoline 8 sulfonic acid. So similarly, in bromination நம்ம சேர்ந்தாலும் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குன்னு சொன்னால் 5th பொசிஷன் அண்ட் 8th பொசிஷன்லாம் bromine அட்டாக் ஆகிட்டு we get 5 bromo and 8 bromo quinoline நமக்கு கிடச்சிருக்கும். ஓகேவா? தென் reduction. Quinoline reduces in different reducing agent to form very number of product. For example, quinoline reduced with platinum to form decahydroquinoline, whereas quinoline reduced with tin with HCl to form 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydroquinoline, whereas it reduces lithium aluminum hydride to form 1,2-dihydroquinoline. Then oxidation of quinoline. On vigorous oxidation with potassium permanganate, it can be oxidized to quinolinic acid, that is pridine 2,3 dicarboxylic acid. The benzene ring being less stable than pridine undergo oxidation to form nicotinic acid with loss of carbon dioxide. Then quinoline can be oxidized with benzene peracid perbenzoic acid to form quinoline 1 oxide. It is also very important method.